Into the car you go. Shut the door. Ah. Oh, you're too big for that car. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep. You're sitting in the car. What should I do with that stop sign? Stop sign. I can make you stop. Thinking. You're thinking about the game from last week. Going round and round.
Here we go.
Going round and round with the car. I'm just waiting to see if she comes up with the idea herself. Go round and round with the car.
Oh no, crash!
Oh, it crashed! We're back. Oh, dear. That's better. Go round and round with the car. Round and round and round. Stop the car! With the car? Cool! Here I come! Go! Go, go! Go! Go, go, go!